Did you know that Osaka, Japan's third largest city, is often overshadowed by Tokyo and Kyoto, yet it has its unique charm that attracts millions of tourists each year? Despite its less renowned status, Osaka invites intrigue with its distinct allure. This video aims to uncover the hidden gems and captivating appeal of this bustling metropolis. From its rich cultural heritage to its mouth-watering delicacies, Osaka offers a unique Japanese experience. Curious to find out what makes Osaka stand out? Stick around as we delve deeper into this vibrant city. From its bustling street food culture to its friendly locals, Osaka has a lot to offer. The city's allure lies in a unique mix of 5 key elements. First off, its rich food culture. Known as the nation's kitchen, Osaka is a paradise for food enthusiasts with its tantalizing street food and world-class sushi. Secondly, the locals. Osakans are renowned for their warmth and hospitality, making visitors feel welcome and at home. Thirdly, the vibrant nightlife. Osaka comes alive at night with dazzling neon lights, bustling izakayas and energetic street performances that are sure to captivate your senses. Fourthly, Osaka's traditional architecture. The city beautifully juxtaposes its modern skyscrapers with historic castles and temples, offering a visual treat. Lastly, the serene parks and gardens. They provide a tranquil escape from the city's hustle and bustle, allowing you to soak in Osaka's natural beauty. Indeed, Osaka's unique blend of modern and traditional elements sets it apart from other Japanese cities. Osaka isn't called Japan's kitchen for nothing. This city takes its food seriously. In the heart of Osaka, the sizzle of takoyaki pans fills the air. These ball-shaped snacks filled with tender octopus are a must-try street food. But the gastronomic journey doesn't end there. Osaka is also the birthplace of okonomiyaki, a savory pancake packed with a variety of ingredients, cooked right in front of you on a hot griddle. Then, there's kushikatsu, the city's famous skewered and deep-fried delicacies. From meats to vegetables, everything tastes better when it's breaded and fried, right? And you can't miss the bustling food markets like Kuromon Ichiba Market, where the city's love for fresh and flavorful food is on full display. The culinary scene in Osaka is a sensory delight, a flavorful exploration of tradition and innovation. The city's gastronomy is not just about eating, it's about experiencing the culture, the people, and the heart of Osaka. In Osaka, every meal is an adventure. Osaka isn't just about food, it's a city that's brimming with attractions that cater to all sorts of interests. Let's start with the majestic Osaka Castle, a symbol of the city that stands tall amidst lush greenery. This stunning edifice, with its multi-tiered keep, is a testament to Japan's rich history and architectural prowess. Its museum captivates with exhibits of samurai artifacts and Edo period relics, and the panoramic view from the top floor is simply breathtaking. A completely different vibe awaits you at Universal Studios Japan. This theme park is a wonderland that brings your favorite movies to life, from magical Harry Potter adventures to thrilling Jurassic Park rides. The park's innovative attractions and immersive experiences never fail to charm both kids and adults, making it a must-visit spot in Osaka. Then there's Dotonbori, the heart and soul of Osaka's nightlife. It's a paradise for foodies and shopaholics, with its neon-lit streets lined with restaurants, street food stalls, and stores. The iconic Glico Man billboard and the mesmerizing Dotonbori Canal add to the area's vibrant and energetic atmosphere. These spots, each unique in its own way, contribute significantly to Osaka's popularity among tourists. They provide a perfect blend of history, entertainment, and modern urban culture, offering something for everyone. No matter what your interests are, you are sure to find something that captivates you in Osaka. With so much to see and do, it's no wonder Osaka is a must-visit destination in Japan. So there you have it. Osaka may be less famous than Tokyo or Kyoto, but it has its own unique charm that's hard to resist. Immerse yourself in the city's vibrant energy, where modernity and tradition coexist harmoniously. Osaka's popularity is not without reason. Its allure lies in its rich food culture, where street food stalls and fine dining restaurants offer a culinary adventure like no other. You'll find a city teeming with friendly locals who are always eager to share their culture with visitors. Enjoy Osaka's vibrant nightlife, where the city comes alive with music and laughter. Explore the stunning traditional architecture, a testament to Japan's rich history. Take a leisurely stroll through beautiful parks and gardens, where tranquility meets natural beauty. And don't forget the must-visit attractions, each with its own unique story to tell. Next time you plan a trip to Japan, make sure Osaka is on your list. You'll surely fall in love with its unique charm.